Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to view layers in Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Viewing layers in Adobe Acrobat is a simple process that can be highly beneficial for a lot of reasons, especially in terms of professional, practical, and organizational management here in this platform. Now, if you're using the Adobe Acrobat online, you might gonna choose the Adobe Acrobat application in your computer, because here you're not gonna be able to view the layers. All right, so I'm gonna quickly switch to the Adobe Acrobat application, because in the application, all I have to do for you to be able to view the layers, just go to the upper left corner where you can see the menu. So the shortcut is going to be Alt plus F, right? And go to the view section here. Click that. You should be able to hover to the option that says View Page Display Side Panel. You see that? And there should be an option that says layers. You see? That is going to be the layer. So let's do that again. If you can't see it, view, side panels, and layers. You see that? This is going to be the layer section. You can access this. You can show, hide, or modify layered content imported from other apps. All right. But the thing is, I'm only using one PDF file or a content, so I'm not going to be able to view multiple layers. But if you do, you'd be able to see them here, right? All I have to do is go again to the top right corner where you can see and hover your layers section here. Now, layers are here to help you isolate and view specific content within a document, such as maybe different parts of a drawing or a map without being overwhelmed by irrelevant information. So basically, you can choose to share specific layers or documents, especially for working with a client or a boss, or if you're working with multiple freelancers, without revealing other sensitive or irrelevant sections, which makes the workflow very seamless and helpful. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.